Hey y'all, it's me Deja B and I'm back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a protein treatment on my higgity hair. This ain't my hair, and even though it looks like it. Yeah, so I have already pre-pooed and washed my hair. You don't have to pre-poo for this, but it does say it recommends that you use the Aphogee shampoo for damaged hair, but I don't think my hair is that damaged, you know? So yeah, cleanse hair, then apply the Aphogee 2-step treatment, which I have here. I pre-pooed with the Main Choice Peach Black Tea Mask. And cleansed my hair with the Fro Butter Lazy Naturals African Black Soap Shampoo. I only cleansed once because that's all you need, honey. Your hair will be feeling squicky, clean. And it already feels very, very, very clean without me having to do a second time. So I'm not gonna do the second time, okay? A lot of times when you add protein to your hair, it strengthens your hair and it gives you that those curls back that you kind of been missing out on, and sometimes you don't realize that you've been missing them. So this is what my hair currently looks like. We're gonna do a before and after type thickety thing. Okay, so of course I said the first step is to cleanse your hair. Make sure your hair is very, very clean. And you can use the Aphogee shampoo as they recommend, but that will be completely up to you. Now, I'm not telling you guys that you need to use this treatment on your own hair. That is completely up to you and your judgment and your research. Always do research or speak to a professional cosmetologist, duh, or have them do it. And then, you know, you can avoid the unnecessary risk of doing it yourself. But I'm not uncomfortable doing it myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and get her done. All right, so after you cleanse, you rinse thoroughly and towel blot dry, and it is drickety dry. And then you apply the Aphogee treatment to thoroughly saturate the hair, comb and blend through with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. Leave the hair uncovered. Do not use a plastic cap, and seat under a medium heat dryer. I don't have a hooded dryer, so I will just be using my regular blow dryer, and doing it that way. You use medium heat on high airflow, and then rinse your hair. Don't try to comb through it once it's dry, because it's gonna get real dry and crunchy, and that's how you know it's working. And then after it's all rinsed out, you apply the balancing moisturizer, which I have here. I might actually have some more of this. I had a really tiny bottle of this, so if I have some left of this, I'm gonna use the other one. So I'm not actually gonna use a comb. That's why I'm just gonna do it in sections. Your fingers can be combs too. I got this from Sally Beauty. You can probably get it from any beauty supply store. I just got mine from Sally because somebody gave me a gift card for my birthday. So I, you know, used it wisely, I should say. In this video, I'm not going to talk to you about you know, signs and symptoms that you need a protein treatment. I do have other videos on that, so I will link those. But I definitely felt like I was having some excess shedding, and I just felt like my hair was getting to the point where, you know, it could use a little bit of bounce back, a little extra strength. So I'm giving her what she needs. Make sure you're giving your hair what she needs, y'all. Put whatever amount you feel like you need to put on your hair to make sure that each section is coated. You don't want some strands to be getting the protein and some to not be getting the protein, you know? My curls are already starting to look really good. And my neck is feeling sticky icky. With no hickey. When you do your protein treatment, don't wear anything that you might be scared to damage. Not that I believe, like strongly believe that this will damage your clothing or anything, but when it dries, it does get really sticky, or I don't know, it can stain. You know, you just want to be ready for whatever. Yeah, it's definitely not gonna take that long to dry because my hair was like super dry thanks to my microfiber towel. Microfiber. It's honestly probably a lot quicker if you do it this way, but that's completely up to you. Okay, so I am done applying the product. My hair is already stiffening up. My neck feels sticky icky. Now I have my blow dryer and I'm going to put it, see, this only has so many settings, so I'm just going to put it on high because low is low flow and high is high. There's also high heat and low flow is lower heat, so what else. So basically I was just like shaking my hair so that I can, you know, like get to those roots because ain't nobody got time to be doing this forever. We're getting there though. Some of my roots are still a little wet, so I'm gonna get in there. Yeah, get in there. Yeah, get in there. Wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble. Yeah, so really doesn't take long for this stuff to dry, honestly. All right, everybody, this is it. It's hard, but those curls, they are popping ton. Okay, so I'm going to rinse this, starting with warm water and, you know, elevating that, and I will be back when it's all rinsed out. Okay guys, the hair has been thoroughly rinsed, and may I say, it looks very good, like uber amazing. Then I'm going to show you the back so you can see that before and after. Now I'm going to add the balancing moisturizer. It is to balance out the moisture in your hair because the protein will suck all that moisture up. Even though my hair feels amazing, like my hair is super soft right now, but still it was a lot of protein applied, so you want to balance it out. We did not make this up, y'all. It's been this way. Protein moisture balance, okay? Yeah, my hair feels really soft and my curls are like super defined without having added like products that's on it right now. Like this is why with protein treatment, guys, because you want your hair to be popping ton. Pop. Oh, bounce with it. Bounce it. Bounce it. I'm about to throw a couple thousand. This is my brain all the time. One song to another. The balancing moisturizer. Use on wet hair to maintain moisture, detangle, and improve manageability. Apply liberally to damp hair after shampooing. Massage gently into hair and scalp. But wait 2 minutes, rinse thoroughly, dry and style. Use as needed, and always use immediately after the Aphogee 2-step treatment to restore softness. Like I said, my hair already soft, so imagine what my hair gonna feel like when I add this thing and rinse this out. And it also says that you can use it anytime. It doesn't have to just be used with the Aphogee 2-step treatment, but always use it after the 2-step treatment, okay? So I'm just, you know, getting that all on there. And I love the smell. I don't know why, but I do. It smells lotiony, but amazing to me. Make sure you get the roots and the scalp, y'all. The roots and the scalp. I just may only leave it on for a few minutes. I always feel like 2 minutes is too short, but the professionals also know best, right? All right, so I'm gonna leave this on for about 5 more minutes because it is almost 2 a.m. and I still gotta style my hair. So yeah, let's get the ball rolling, and I'll be back when it's rinsed out. Okay, so I really gave it like 4 minutes, and then went ahead and rinsed my hair out, and I must say it's giving. Now what I will say, in my experience, my hair is still really soft, but for some reason I don't feel like when I add the balancing moisturizer it makes it more soft. Like, I feel like honestly it firms it back up a little bit. Am I the only one that happens to? If you watch this video and have protein treated your hair or had your hair protein treated, like, tell me how your hair felt. But I feel like my hair was really soft when I used the protein treatment, and then the balancing moisturizer just like, it's still really soft, don't get me wrong, but not really soft, not like too soft, like damaged soft, but it's like the perfect amount of soft, I guess I should say, like the perfect amount of softness and strongness. Super shiny. I mean, wow, this is no product has been washed out. Of course some of it might stay, but this is why you need a treatment in your life, honey. But like I said, it's up to you. Say a little bee, say a little hole. There goes your looky little. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is just a reminder to take care of your hair, child. Washing and deep conditioning is not the only thing you're supposed to do. So, you know, wash, deep condition, use moisturizing products, yes, but make sure you get enough protein too, because you don't want your hair to go limp, okay? So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you're feeling it in your spirit. Subscribe to my channel. If you made it this far and you're new here, you might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like I said, like helps me a lot, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.